In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment for an invoice in your accounting software. Whether you're managing finances for a business or simply handling invoices for personal projects, knowing how to accurately record a payment is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section of your software. This is typically where you'll find all your transactions, including invoices. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Invoices. This is where you can access all the invoices you've sent out, both paid and unpaid. Next, locate the specific invoice to which you've recently received a payment. If you have a lot of invoices, you might find it handy to use a search feature or filter options by date or customer name to quickly pinpoint the one you're looking for. Open this invoice so you can view its details and proceed with recording the payment. With the invoice open, look for the Record Payment button. This is your gateway to logging the payment you've received from your customer. Clicking on this button will typically open up a form or a new screen where you can input payment details. Now, it's time to enter the amount received. Make sure you input this figure in the customer's currency if you're dealing with international transactions. This ensures that your records accurately reflect the transaction value. Be precise with the amount to prevent any discrepancies in your financial statements. After entering the payment amount, don't skip over verifying the exchange rate for the transaction date. If you're dealing with a foreign currency, fluctuations in exchange rates can affect the total in your home currency. Some software might automatically fill this in based on the transaction date. But it's always good practice to double-check and adjust if necessary to ensure accuracy. For the next step, select Undeposited Funds as the account to deposit to. This is essentially a temporary account that represents funds you've received but haven't yet deposited into your bank. Keeping funds in this account allows you to batch multiple payments into a single bank deposit later on, streamlining bank reconciliation. Finally, once you've ensured all the details are accurate, go ahead and click Save. This action finalizes the entry of the payment into your records, arriving at the end of this process with confidence that your accounting records are up to date and accurate. And there you have it, a simple guide on recording a payment for your invoices. Remember, keeping your records precise and organized helps manage cash flow and understand your financial health better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tutorials in our upcoming videos.